Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as a study on car insurance purchase prediction using machine learning. This paper is referred from the Korean Journal of Artificial Intelligence 2021. So in this paper the authors have proposed a concept of predicting the customers who will be purchasing the car insurance or not based on the health insurance customer data. So the main objective is like there is a set of customers who was already having the health insurance. So from that health insurance customer, we are going to predict, this model is going to predict whether the existing customer will purchase a car insurance or not. So here you can see the benefit of implementing this is to increase the car insurance sales. So based on the information of the existing health insurance customers. So as a proposed model, we have implemented using the random forest classifier, and the accuracy that we have achieved, there is a train accuracy is 0.992 and test accuracy is 0.936, which is higher than the model that is proposed by the authors. Coming to the data set, so here they have used health insurance cross-sell prediction data. This is referred from the Kaggle. Now in the system architecture you can see that we are going to give the health insurance data set and the pre-processing and feature selection is made, and after that random forest classifier is implemented and predict whether the customer is interested or not, and go for the performance analysis and graph part. Now let us see the execution of the project. Just copy the source code location, go to your command prompt. Now go to the source code location, type python app.py and click enter. So now you can copy this URL, go to your browser, paste the URL, so now you can see the home screen or welcome screen of the project with the project title, a study on car insurance purchase prediction. Just click this login menu. This is a static login page because we have not used any database in this project. So just enter the default username and password as admin and then click login. And once the login is successful, it will be navigated to the upload part where you need to upload the data set. So just select this browse button. Now go to the source code location where you can see upload.csv file. Just select it and click upload. So once the dataset has been uploaded, it will be navigated to the preview part where you can preview the dataset that we have uploaded. So here you can see the dataset with the features of ID, gender, age, driving license, region code, previously insured, vehicle age, vehicle damage, annual premium, policy sales channel, vintage and response of it. So just scroll down, you can see the complete data set. You can scroll down till the end of the page. So this consists of data set record around 7317 data. Now you can click the button, click to train or test. and after few seconds you can see the training is finished message. Click OK. Now the system will be navigated to the prediction part where you can check the car insurance purchase prediction. So for the scenario, let me show you with both the cases. So first let me give the value gender as male, age as 44, customer driving license, customer has already driving license, and previously insured or not, customer does not have vehicle insurance, and vehicle age is greater than 2, vehicle is damaged or not, yes, annual premium around 40,454, and vintage model is like 217. So for this, let us check the prediction result. Just click the predict button, and now you can see the prediction result is the customer is interested in it. And now let me check with the other case. So let me enter the data, gender as female, age as 21, driving license, the customer has already driving license, previously insured, the customer has vehicle insurance, the vehicle age is less than 1 year, vehicle damage no, annual premium 61,964, vintage model is 72. Now let us predict the result for this. Let's click the predict button, and now you can see the customer is not interested. So for the scenario, I have shown you with the both the cases of the positive and negative, that is customer interested and customer is not interested values. You can check with the other data from the data set record that we are trained up with. And now let me move to the performance analysis part. So in the performance analysis part, you can see the precision and the recall value. So here you can see the precision and the recall value, and here you can see the confusion matrix. And finally, let me go to the chart part. As intimated earlier, we are not using any database, so we cannot generate a dynamic graph here. This is a static graph. So this graph has been depicted from the data set that we have trained up with, so which consists around 60% of interested and 40% of not interested value. So that has been depicted over here. And let me log out, and this is all about the project study on car insurance purchase prediction using machine learning. And thank you for watching.